Your exterior water service line is the sort of thing you may not even realize exists until something goes wrong. After all, it's buried up to 9 feet under the ground, and the deeper it's buried, the deeper into your pocket you're going to have to dig to fix it. But more on that later. An exterior water service line is the pipe that carries fresh water from the public water main, expertly illustrated here in children's sidewalk chalk, and into your home. The portion of the line that runs under the street or under public right-of-way is typically maintained by your local government, but it becomes your responsibility where the line meets your lawn. And that means if there's a leak or blockage on your property, you're on the hook for repair costs. Now you might be thinking, if this pipe's several feet underneath the ground, how am I supposed to know it's damaged? Here are some telltale signs that your water service line may need service. Persistent puddles or soggy spots in the front yard, potholes or sinkholes in your driveway or sidewalk, low water pressure, unusually high water bills, dirty, rusty, or bad-smelling water. Some common reasons you experience water service line trouble include pipe aging and corrosion, ground shifting, extreme temperature swings, encroaching tree roots, clogs, careless digging or too aggressive yard work, and just general wear and tear. Because of all that excavation and specialized work, this is one job best left to the pros. That means your DIY portion of the job is mostly going to be figuring out how to pay for it all, because your homeowner's insurance probably won't. All that digging, it's one of the most expensive portions of the job. And as we noted earlier, deeper ain't cheaper. If you live in, say, Arizona, Florida, South Carolina, or Texas, where the weather is generally warm year-round, you're in luck, because your average water line depth is less than 3 feet, and that's going to save you a few federal diplomas. At the other extreme, if you live someplace where it gets very cold, like Connecticut, Iowa, Minnesota, or Nebraska, your pipes are going to be roughly 6 to 8 feet deep. As you can see in this house in Illinois, the pipes come into the house roughly 5 feet underground. Now, let's just say in this case, the phrase dirt cheap doesn't apply. In addition to pipe depth, other factors that'll impact what you pay include the distance from your property line to the house, as well as what type of pipe you're putting in. Copper is pricier than plastic, for example. According to HomeServe data, the average American pays about $1,000 for a water line repair and about $3,600 for a water line replacement. Now keep in mind, you'll also be on the hook for about $220 for a diagnosis fee. To learn more about your water service line, go to homeserve.com. Now, I gotta find those kids and give them their chalk back.